My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volvo XC60. This vehicle has done just under 57,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control, voice control, and automatic headlights. The XC60 also has a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access climate control by clicking this icon here. On our first page, we have our applications. On the second, we have our main features, which include navigation, radio, phone connection, and our average fuel consumption. On the third is where we find all of the car functions. The XC60 also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have our efficient drive, everyday use, rough road, and high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.